Activity 14, Breakdown. Procedure Part A, Testing the Model. We will be using an antacid tablet, which represents food. We will be breaking the antacid tablet, which represents mechanical breakdown. And we will be adding vinegar to our CPUP tray, which will represent chemical breakdown. The first thing we're going to do is model mechanical breakdown by breaking one antacid tablet in half. I will put 1/2 by CPUP tray E, and then I'm going to break that half into 2 quarter pieces, and I'm going to put that by CPUP tray A. Next, I'm going to add 5 milliliters of vinegar to each of the CPUP trays. 5 milliliters. On our observations and note sheets, once I drop the half tablet into CPUP tray E and the 2 quarter tablets into CPUP tray A, I'm going to record my observations. I'm going to use adjective words to describe what's happening to the tablet once it's dropped into the vinegar. We're also going to get some quantitative data by taking the time it takes for each of these tablets to dissolve in the CPUP tray. I'm going to put the tablets in at the same time and start the timer, and then you should be watching and recording what's happening to the half tablet and the 2 quarter tablets. Notice the bubbling and the fizzing. Notice the residue around the cup. Looking at the time still. The noise that you hear. And looking to see how that tablet is dissolving, the half tablet and the 2 quarter tablets. Noticing how the chemical breakdown is working to break down those 2 pieces that equal a half and the whole half tablet. As you're watching, you should be looking at the time to see when the reaction has been completed, when the tablet has been dissolved. Okay. In part B, we're going to design our own experiment. We watched what happened with our half tablet and 2 quarter tablets and noticed what happened in the breakdown and how it was different. Now we're going to take 2 different sizes of antacid tablets and watch to see how chemical breakdown occurs. In CPUP tray A, we're going to place 1 entire antacid tablet into CPUP tray A. At the same time, we're going to put 1 whole antacid tablet that has been crushed into smaller pieces and put that into CPUP tray E. What we're going to do is again watch. You don't need to write down any observations, but we want you to watch and see how the size of your food, which is the tablets, affects the speed at which chemical breakdown occurs. As you're watching this, we want you to also think about the Cheeto activity that we did in the beginning. We had a whole Cheeto that just dissolved in our mouth, and then we were able to chew the Cheeto the second time we did the experiment. So at the same time, we're going to again put the timer on and drop both in at the same time and watch the chemical breakdown that occurs. This is the whole tablet. These are the smaller pieces equaling one whole tablet. Thinking about how the size of your food, whole versus many small pieces, affects the speed at which chemical breakdown occurs.